Samsung is pushing the boundaries of foldable smartphone technology with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, which could be the world's thinnest foldable phone yet. While the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition introduced an impressive sleek design and decent camera hardware, it still couldn't outmatch Chinese foldable devices that offer ultra-thin bodies, bigger battery capacities, and incredibly fast charging speeds. However, Samsung is ready to change the game. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 aims to set new records with its groundbreaking titanium build and next-gen advancements. Titanium backplate, the perfect blend of strength and lightweight design. A report from the OLED reveals that Samsung is incorporating titanium into the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and its first-ever trifold smartphone, both of which are expected to launch in the second half of the year. Unlike the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which features a titanium frame, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will use titanium for its backplate, making it lighter yet more durable than previous models. Titanium isn't new to Samsung's foldable lineup. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition was the first to introduce a titanium backplate, replacing the carbon fiber used in earlier models like the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Initially, Samsung had utilized stainless steel in the original Galaxy Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold 2 before transitioning to carbon fiber for improved durability and weight reduction. Now, with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, titanium is expected to take things to the next level. A slimmer design without an S Pen digitizer. Samsung is determined to create its thinnest foldable smartphone yet, and one significant step toward achieving this is removing the S Pen digitizer. While this might be disappointing for stylus lovers, this decision could lead to a remarkably slim and sleek design that enhances portability. Interestingly, Samsung isn't entirely abandoning stylus functionality. The company is working on a revolutionary OLED panel that can support stylus input without the need for a digitizer, a technology similar to Apple's built-in battery stylus system, which enables precise tip recognition and smoother interactions. Samsung is collaborating with HiDeep on this breakthrough, though it remains unclear when it will be implemented in the Galaxy Z series. Revolutionizing foldable smartphones. With its titanium construction, digitizer-free OLED panel, and ultra-slim profile, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is poised to set new industry standards for foldable devices. Samsung's commitment to innovation, lightweight durability, and cutting-edge technology ensures that this next-gen foldable phone will be a game-changer. Are we about to witness the biggest leap forward in foldable technology yet? Stay tuned as Samsung prepares to reveal more groundbreaking updates.